Are you still manually updating complex spreadsheets to manage your money, feeling overwhelmed by rows and columns, and constantly worried about errors or missing important financial details? If that question hit a nerve, you're in the right place. For years, spreadsheets have been the go-to tool for personal finance management. They offer unparalleled flexibility, customization, and a sense of control. But let's be honest, that control comes at a cost, a huge investment of your time, constant vigilance, and the nagging fear that one wrong formula or forgotten entry could throw your entire financial picture into disarray. We've all been there, meticulously entering every transaction, trying to reconcile accounts, and pulling our hair out when a number just doesn't add up. The hours spent downloading bank statements, categorizing expenses, and building elaborate charts can feel less like managing your money and more like a second, unpaid job. And what about those sneaky subscriptions? The streaming service you signed up for years ago and completely forgot about, or the free trial that silently rolled into a paid membership? Spreadsheets won't magically find those for you. What about negotiating bills? Your spreadsheet will dutifully record the amount you pay, but it won't pick up the phone and try to get you a better deal on your internet or car insurance. The truth is, while spreadsheets offer a powerful framework, they lack the automation, insights, and proactive features that modern personal finance demands. They're a static snapshot in a dynamic financial world. They require you to do all the heavy lifting, all the tracking, all the analysis. And in today's fast-paced world, who has that kind of time? We're looking for efficiency, for clarity, for a system that works for us, not the other way around. That's why more and more people are looking for an alternative, a way to streamline their financial management, reduce the mental load, and still maintain a clear, accurate picture of their money. And that's where Rocket Money comes in. In this comprehensive guide, we're going to dive deep into how Rocket Money isn't just an alternative to your financial spreadsheets, but a revolutionary upgrade. We'll explore its core features, compare its functionalities to the traditional spreadsheet approach, and show you exactly how it can transform your financial life from a constant chore into an automated, insightful, and even empowering experience. We're not just talking about a simple budgeting app here. Rocket Money goes beyond basic tracking. It's designed to give you a holistic view of your finances, identify opportunities for savings, negotiate on your behalf, and even automate your progress toward financial goals. Imagine a world where your subscriptions are managed for you, your bills are automatically tracked, and you get real-time insights into your spending without lifting a finger. That's the promise of Rocket Money, and we're going to break down exactly how it delivers. So, if you're tired of the spreadsheet grind, if you're ready to reclaim your time and gain true financial clarity, keep watching. This isn't just about switching tools, it's about upgrading your entire approach to money management. The spreadsheet status quo, why we cling to it, and why we should let go. Let's acknowledge it, spreadsheets have their merits. They are incredibly versatile. You can create any category, any formula, any chart you can dream up. For a certain type of financially savvy individual, the sheer customization is addictive. You can build a budget from scratch that perfectly reflects your unique income streams and spending habits. You can track investments, project future net worth, and analyze spending trends with intricate detail. But this flexibility is also its Achilles heel. Every single piece of data needs to be manually entered or painstakingly imported. Every calculation, every sum, every average requires a formula that you either know or have to look up. And then there's the maintenance, updating recurring transactions, adding new categories, correcting errors, and ensuring all your linked accounts are truly reconciled. It's a full-time job for your finances, and let's be real, you probably have a full-time job already. The common pitfalls of spreadsheet budgeting are numerous. Time consumption, this is perhaps the biggest deterrent. Hours spent each week or month just to keep things updated. Manual error, a typo, a forgotten decimal, a dragging error, one small mistake can snowball and invalidate your entire budget. Lack of automation, no automatic categorization, no real-time updates, no alerts for unusual spending. You're constantly reacting. Limited insights. While you can create charts, gaining deeper, actionable insights often requires significant data manipulation and analysis that most people don't have the time or expertise for. Subscription blind spots. Those recurring charges hide in plain sight until you meticulously review every line item. Reactive versus proactive. Spreadsheets show you where your money went, but they don't proactively help you save more or reduce expenses. These challenges lead to financial fatigue, discouragement, and often abandonment of the budgeting process altogether. Many start with good intentions, building an elaborate spreadsheet, only to find themselves falling off the wagon after a few weeks or months because the upkeep is simply too demanding. Enter Rocket Money, your automated financial co-pilot. Rocket Money steps in to address these fundamental limitations by offering an automated, insightful, and proactive approach to personal finance. It's designed to do the heavy lifting for you, freeing up your time and empowering you with clear, actionable information. Let's break down how Rocket Money effectively replaces and significantly upgrades your traditional spreadsheet system across key areas. 1. Seamless account aggregation and transaction tracking. Instead of manually downloading statements or keying in transactions, Rocket Money securely connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, investment accounts, and even loans. This means real-time data. All your transactions are automatically imported and updated in real time. No more waiting for statements or manually entering data. Centralized view. See all your financial accounts in one place. Your checking, savings, credit cards, investments, everything is consolidated for a complete financial picture, something often cumbersome to achieve with multiple spreadsheet tabs. Automatic categorization. Rocket Money uses smart algorithms to automatically categorize your spending. Groceries, dining out, utilities, transportation. It learns your habits and organizes your transactions, saving you countless hours of manual sorting. And if you get something wrong, it's easy to correct and teach it for future transactions. This is a game changer compared to the manual categorization you do in a spreadsheet. 2. Intelligent budgeting and spending insights. While spreadsheets allow for custom budgets, Rocket Money automates much of the process and provides a richer understanding of your spending. Customizable budgets. You can set spending limits for various categories, just like in a spreadsheet, but Rocket Money actively tracks your progress and alerts you as you approach or exceed your limits. This proactive feedback loop is absent in a static spreadsheet. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.